So today I'm going to be going over Snap and Read. Snap and Read is a Chrome extension that can be used to read aloud websites and PDFs to students. And I will show you how to create an account and go over all that today. So first, we're just going to go ahead and Google search for Snap and Read Universal. And it is right here. And so when you go, you will actually create a new account. And from here, you will create with Google. I have already created an account, so I will just go and sign in. All right. So once we're here, we can actually go to Manage Students, and this is actually where we will want to add our students to Snap and Read so they can use it. You'll go to Add Students, and you can add their email from here. And then once we want to go and use our Snap and Read, we will come here and go to More Tools and Extensions. And from here, we'll go all the way down to Get More Extensions. And again, we will search for Snap and Read Universal. And yours will say Get Extension here. You'll go ahead and click that. And once it downloads, we should get our Snap and Read Universal icon up here. Now, to demonstrate this, I am just going to go look for some news. And one of the top stories, let's see here. Let's do some local news. Okay. So, from here, we can go ahead and click our Snap and Read Universal icon, and our little menu will pop up here. This first button here is actually the one that we're going to use most often, and it's just to read any regular text to us. And we'll go ahead and click on the text anywhere you want, and it will start to read it to you. Click in the text again, and then it will stop. And to deactivate this, you can click the icon one last time. Another cool feature in here is this button here. And what this will do is actually take our text and essentially lower the reading level. And if you noticed when I did that, there were words that changed and they were italicized. Anything that changes, it will italicize. And if you hover over each word, it will show you what it changes it from and changes it to. So we went from severe to extreme. Or over here, we went from proclamation to legal announcement. So this is just something that can help students better understand the things that they are reading. And another feature is our translator. This actually isn't on by default, so in order to turn it on, we click our Snap and Read Universal option, and then we will go to Options up here. That was a right click, just to be sure. That was a right click on the Snap and Read and Options. And then it will pull up this menu, and from here you can go ahead and turn on the translation option, and then you can select whatever language you would like to translate into. Let's go ahead and go to Russian, and if you want, this will come back. This button will show up once you have turned it on. We click that, And all we need to do is highlight the text that we want to translate. We can just do a sentence, or we can do the entire article if we want. And right there, it switches over to Russian for us, and we can even have that Russian read to us if we so choose. So, just like so, and it will work gloriously. To go back to our native language, we click this icon again, and it goes back to English. Another feature here is our note-taking. So we can add different outlines and take different notes based on the things that we're reading. And we have here, we can add an outline. You can change your outline name. So I'll just do a test outline. I believe this is my second one, so I'll do test outline 2. And then from here, all you can click this icon here, and then you can highlight things, and it will be added over here into our outline with a clickable annotation here that will bring us back to our article if we ended up leaving. Another convenient thing is that if we click on sources, it is actually already sourced this website for us. This is in APA format, but if we want to switch to MLA, we just click there, and there it is, all ready to go. And then we can close that there. Okay, and one last thing I wanted to show is the fact that we can use this in a PDF. So let me just open a PDF here. Now this PDF does need to be open in Google Chrome. It can't be in the Adobe PDF reader. It does need to be in Chrome. So we can just open up a PDF here. And then we'll actually use this second button left, the only one we haven't used. And that will actually give us a box. And this box can go over anything, and anything inside of that box, it will in turn read back to us.
Directions use context clues to complete each sentence with the correct vocabulary word.
So what this means is that you could take a picture of anything that has text on it and save it as a PDF onto your computer, and then a student could use that PDF and this snap and read function to go and have that worksheet read aloud to them, regardless of whether it is in digital format or not. So that concludes everything that I have in Snap and Read. If there are any questions, just let me know, and I'd be more than happy to help. And I hope this is helpful, and that everybody is excited about using this.